together is just amazing. So let's talk about what is the Legacy Builder program? What is it? Why do people want it? Why is it a solution for so many people's problems? That's what we're going to talk about in this because I really want you guys to have a really crystal clear understanding of what it does. Here, let me plug this in because hopefully you can hear me a little bit better and kind of eliminate some of that echo. But you guys, the program was because people were having, we're getting caught up on buying another course and thinking that course was going to impact and change their life. And they just were stacking up courses. And the more courses they bought, the more money they spent. The more money they spent and not having results, the more they were convincing themselves that they couldn't do this. And I didn't like seeing that. I've literally, you guys, from the moment I got started, like almost 19 months ago, on the 10th will be 19 months. I've literally kept every single email I've ever received from my customers and every single email from potential customers. And I've been tracking it. I know what the missing gaps were. And I was like, people don't need another course. They need a community. And that's when we launched the community in November of 2022. And I literally said in December of 2022, we will put 1,000 people in the community in 2023. I was wrong. We hit 1,000 on May 22nd, right? And now I don't even know the number where we're at now. Let me just look real quick. We are at 12,900 people. You guys, that is amazing. In what's December, January, February, March, April, in 16 months. That's how huge our community has grown. So I knew people needed to be part of something. And then what I noticed was happening is I started doing live calls and people were getting on them, asking questions and executing what they were learning. And I literally last year, I wanted to provide more for the community. And a lot of you don't even know this, but I didn't believe in myself. I didn't think I was worthy. I didn't think I would be good enough to do this. So I knew that I lacked in leadership. I lacked in belief. So I got me a coach that was doing amazing, that I looked at her and I was like, I want to make as much as she does, but it was scary thought, right? And she literally says, if you don't make $250,000 a month, you're playing small in the online world. So I got a big girl coach because I know how to put my big girl pants on if I'm going to create 1,000 millionaires, right? So I had to level up. I had to raise my standards. I had to take scary action. And a lot of you know, I went to a mastermind in December, and it was at that mastermind. And I literally had said, in July, my birthday month, I'm going to launch a program. And she looks at me and she goes, why are you procrastinating? You've been keeping everything for the last 17 months, or not, I guess it was a year. You've been documenting everything. Why are you pushing back from doing this? What is really holding you back? That is your scarcity, your limiting beliefs. And she like punched me over and over, not in a, I mean, it hurt, right? But she made me raise my standards. And I was like, mm-mm. And it was quite interesting because I had the battle still. I was still battling, like, what do I do? What do I do? I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready for this yet. And then bam, my decision was made in January. A lot of it was already done. I had already envisioned it. I'd already seen it. I'd already seen 1,000 six-figure incomers. I already seen 1,000 millionaires. I just didn't know if I had the right leadership to show up and provide it for you at that time. I was scared. I'll admit it, I was. And then we got hit with that chaos in January with, with the IPS stuff. And it was the lack of customer support and the people just being devastated and all the chaos, and they didn't care. That was the moment that you guys pushed me over the ledge, right? To go ahead and start creating this. So it has been created, right? And there has been hurdles, there has been obstacles. I've learned so much, but it turned out even better than I ever possibly could have. And so that was the creation of this program, right? And I knew, though, I've known for the last year that I will create 1,000 millionaires. I knew it. I just had to get the program out of here. Because I was like, oh my gosh, if I can make $1 million in 17 months and literally travel the world, you guys realize we traveled. I homeschool, or not homeschool, she does online school. My daughter, that's a senior. because we literally traveled every single month last year. We left. 5 times we left the country. There was 2 months, you guys, I was only home 6 days in 2 months. Nicholas always laughs and says, "I think you're allergic to your living room. That's why you leave." And it's like, I just want to make memories. I wanted those moments with my children. I'm only telling you guys that because I will share with you this program that I have created is to equip you for success and not have you take time away from your families, help you get more time. I want to show you guys how to master this 2-hour workday where you're being very intentional 2 hours a day and getting the income earning activities done, right? So I just wanted you guys to kind of understand why I did this. And I am seeing so many people already having so much success. We've not even fully launched yet, right, to the world. And I know, you guys, I needed to add another program that would help you raise your standards to another level, that I could help you create 6 figures and 7 figures and create multiple income streams. And so when I'm promoting the Legacy Builder program, and this is what I want you guys to really understand the power of this, it's not a course. People don't need any more course. This is an online educational interactive program where people get live interactive calls, and we're literally walking them through the steps. Step 1, we give you that launch kit for your business. You have a launch kit where we walk you through what to do from launch to profit in 7 days. You have a clear understanding of what to do. We're going to help you brand you because it's your website. It is your automated system. It's all under your domain. And we're going to show you how to build an email list, because I can promise you what made me the millions was understanding the message to my market and building that email list. We are going to walk you through step by step how to do that. And once you really understand the setup of your business, the goal is to get you into passive daily pay income, right? The goal is 900 a day. Get that coming from you. That's 6,300 a week. So we literally walk you through the steps that you need to take to make passive daily pay blueprint or income. And what is those steps? You need to learn how to automate your business, because that's how you can master that 2-hour workday, because that online system is out there working for you 24/7. So that's the first thing you need to master. The second thing is as the discovery method, how to get customers to discover you. So you're not having to find customers or follow up with people or friend request people. How can you have a fully automated business that is literally out there working for you 24/7? And also in the daily pay blueprint, you're going to learn how content is actually just real estate. It's real estate out there working for you. You guys realize when you create one video on TikTok or YouTube, it doesn't go away. It's constantly out there generating an income for you. So that's what you're going to learn. Once you start mastering a consistent, predictable income, that's what we're going to take you to master digital marketing skills, which is in the digital mastery. That is where you're going to learn how to create a reoccurring income. You have reoccurring bills. Why not a reoccurring income stream? You're going to be equipped with the skills that you need to make reoccurring income. And then, you know what? Let's go. Let's go. Let's leave that legacy for your family. Let's change generational wealth. And that is why the launching of the Legacy Builder happened. Because not only by this time, you're going to know how to make daily pay, you're going to know how to make a reoccurring income. I'm going to show you how to take your passion, your purpose, and create a course, create a program, create a community, create a movement from that, so you can leave a legacy for your family. Now, what I love, you guys, is all of that. You can purchase the Legacy Builder program and get all of it. One-stop shop, have it all right there for you. And I love that. So if somebody says to me, well, I'm brand new, which one should I get? The Legacy Builder, because it walks you through step by step by step. Why start at the passive daily pay blueprint and then have to move up and change your website every time? You're causing more work for you. And then all the bonuses that you guys get, the bonuses are insane. And we will continue to add bonuses, right? I'm paying attention to the bonuses, because I will tell you, if you're in the Legacy Builder program, there's going to be a time when you can get the resale rights on those bonuses and sell them to your list. and you get those resale rights at zero cost to you. So what if one of these products work really, really good, like that invisible empire? And what if you can start selling that to your email list? Right? Because your email list has already gone through the automations and they haven't bought your other program. What if they start and buy this from you? I'm going to show you how to add other layers of income without you having to do the work. This is what you're going to learn inside this Legacy Builder program. It's everything you need. It's the educational platform and community that you need. And I can promise you, we train by 4, 5, and 6-figure income earners and 24/7 support. So nobody is ever left alone. They have everything at their fingertips. And then we're going to be launching a chat bot with AI capabilities inside of that, where you can ask your question and it will literally and filter and show you, give you your answer immediately. So that's also going to be added, right? I just invested in that for the community. So I don't know how long it takes to get that going, but it's going to that. And then guess what's going to be next? Other software to help you. I can promise you, this is just the beginning. What people are going to get a hold of for the amount of the value is ridiculous. Because look at this. And let me just kind of show you this. This is something that is so very powerful, right? Let me show you this, because when somebody purchases, where are they at? Okay. So when somebody purchases, you guys, I want you to think about this. Look at, you get access to all these products, right? This Launchpad is $100. This one is $300. This one's $600. This one's $900. You can purchase the Legacy Builder program and get $1,900 worth of products for $900. What if you sold one of each of them a day? One of each of them a day is you make $1,900 a day. But I will promise you, this Legacy Builder program will show people how to make $500,000 a year. 900 a day plus with their passive daily pay, that's $328,000. That other 170 is going to come from their other reoccurring income streams and their other ability to sell other products. That's either going to be products that they purchase or they create, or products that they're able to promote. That is what they're getting. This is going to help people change the generational wealth. It's going to equip them with every single thing that they need, no matter what level they're in with their learning and understanding with digital marketing. Like if somebody's had success before, then they're just going to be able to take this and skyrocket it. If somebody's brand new, they're going to feel good. They're going to feel empowered because they got step by step how to do it. If somebody's tried other things before and haven't had success, this is going to give them the freedom that they need, because they're going to have the complete structure and 24 support to help them. This Legacy Builder program was set up to give you an online business for time and financial freedom, not an online business that you have to grind and you have to lose time with your family. The stories I love the best is at the grocery store and I get a $900 payment. Amy shared with me that she was at Costco's last week and made $1,200 when she was in Costco's. These are the stories that we will create because of what this program can set people up for. So you guys, you need to understand, this is not a course. We are not promoting a course. We are promoting an interactive program that will continue to get better. We do live calls every single Tuesday inside the Legacy Builder program. If people can't get on live, they get access to the replays. It's different topics every week. What you see in there is not all that's ever going to be in there. There is other stuff added. Let's say something like just takes out in the digital world. We will learn it, we will prove it to work, and we will implement it. You guys will always be out in the I know. It's not going to be like, oh, I'm the fourth person to know. No, we are going to be so innovative. And with all this software and stuff we're adding inside our community, you guys, it's absolutely incredible. It is the best $900 investment that anybody can ever spend. Literally. You think about it. Common sense. I invest $900. I get a complete digital platform that I can learn and master digital marketing skills, master daily pay, master how to make a reoccurring income, even master how to create multiple income streams. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that through your email list, right? But one customer and you're in profit mode. One customer, you're in profit mode. Two customers, man, you made what? Okay, with all the expenses, because you have $900, you have $29. What? Your GoDaddy website's going to be like $11.99 to as cheap as $3.99, depending on what you get, and what, $25 to set up your $25 to set up your personal or your business email. So we're what, $960. So two customers, and you have $740 profit. Profit from two customers. That's what I love. That is exactly what I love. And that's what I want to teach you inside this Launch to Profit in 7 days. Go get two customers. Because I can tell you what, when you're setting everything up and going through this, having that additional $740 in your pocket because you're complete profit mode, it feels a little bit different. You'll be able to create content a little bit different. And that's what I love. This isn't a learn program. This is a learn and earn and implement. Learn and earn and implement. And you get a little hiccup or you get a little confusion or you get in a little bit of a rush, we got you. Just go to the support. Just go to the pin post. See the Michelle with 2 L's S. Click on that, read that post, see if your question's answered in there, and take action in there. 24/7 support, you guys. That is priceless right there. That is priceless. I don't know any other program that offers 24/7 hands-on support. She hired 2 more people this week so I can answer your questions through Loom videos, because a lot of us are visual and they want to make sure that you have everything given to you immediately. It is amazing what people get for a one-time investment of $900 and a one-time investment of $29. That's it. It's absolutely amazing. And so I hope that helps you really understand the crystal clear of how to explain this amazing program that will create 1,000 six-figure income earners, will create 1,000 millionaires. I can promise you will see so many people hitting 6 figures in 90 days, if not sooner, because of the power of this. And because of the power of the movement that we are going to create, because of all the lives that we are going to impact. And so I am excited. I'm loving seeing your guys' feedback. I'm loving seeing how you guys are loving it. And one of my favorite words that I've heard you guys say is you're proud. You're proud to have something to promote that you're proud of. And thank you for that. Thank you for believing in my vision, and thanking you for wanting to be a part of it, because I can promise you, if you are coachable and willing to get your mind right, and we're here to help you every step of the way do that, this will change your life. You won't even recognize your life by the end of 2024. I can promise you that. I can definitely promise you that. So with that being said, now let's go ahead